Got your hat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Where'd your hat go? Oh. Put it on. Is that your helmet? Is that your baseball helmet?
Okay.
It is? Okay. Take her for a spin. Yeah, you do it. Okay. There we go. Off to the races.
Where are you going? Go this way. Go this way. Yeah, go on.
Go, go, go. Bye.
Just can't keep her straight, can you? Oops.
Whoa. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh, it's a good thing we got a hard hat on. What happened? What happened? Put your helmet back on. Crash. Hey, can you blow mommy a kiss? Can you blow mommy a kiss? No, you do it.
A high five.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy too? Thank you. Oh, there's daddy. Oh, and how's mommy? Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, one more time? Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Hey, blow me a kiss.
Yeah.
Ryder. Mwah. Oh, high five too.
Oh.
Ooh. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you wave? Oh. All right. See ya.
He said bye-bye. He's leaving.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
Thank you.
Oh, mommy have one? That is... Oh, mwah. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh.